Over the past 20 years, regulatory requirements have enabled particulate emissions from diesel engines to be reduced 30-fold. The pollutant emissions per kilometre from one Euro 1 vehicle are equivalent to 30 Euro 6 vehicles today. A clogged filter contains the equivalent of more than 10,000 kilometers of accumulated and concentrated emissions. Suitable personal protective equipment must be worn while handling. Following a rigorous process, the Volvo Group currently cleans more than 2,000 filters every year. Waste collection and incineration by a company specialized in the reprocessing of hazardous waste. The filter clogging level is checked, then the filter is cleaned using blown air. Residue is burnt off in ovens at 600 degrees. Back pressure checking. Film integrity checking. Repackaging. Renault Trucks guarantees you the only approved, reliable and proven cleaning process to protect you as well as your environment.